Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you fix Instagram SD card photos not showing problem, right? So if you're getting this problem, only by watching this full video you will able to solve this. So first of all, you have to uninstall this new Instagram, right? If you have an updated version of Instagram, then uninstall it right now. After uninstalling it, just go to your browser, right, Google, and just type here old version Instagram, right, and just hit the enter button. Once you're here, just go to the Instagram old version and select this old one, right? This is the latest version. Now install this old version, and after once you click on this, it will just take a you have to download this APK. For example, let me download this, right? I will download this, and here in your download section it will show you, and you have to install the Instagram, right? Once you install the Instagram, it will surely fix your problem. For right now, some of you would be asking why I'm getting this issue. Why should I install the older version? For that, there is a bug in the latest version. That's why you're getting this issue. But if you're so desperate to use the SD card, then just download the older version. This is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful.